if you haven't figured it out by now, all fats are not created equal. So let's talk about that. There's good fats and there's bad fats, healthy fats and unhealthy fats. And what it breaks down to, the majority speaking, we have the healthy fats are the monosaturated fats, the saturated fats, the polysaturated fats. Not the saturated, I'm sorry, monosaturated, polysaturated, those fats. The not so good fats are the trans fats and the saturated fats. So where do we get the different types of fats from? Well, FYI, the main good type of fat comes from plant sources. Animal fats, which are like the saturated fats, those are just going to be stored as fat in your body. The healthy fats, the monosaturated fats, the polysaturated fats that come from like olive oil or hummus or avocados or you get some of the healthy fats though in, say, salmon and some of your fish, but not like, I'm thinking when I say animal fat, like I'm thinking of, you get a steak and that line of fat that's on the outside of the steak. You know what I'm talking about? That right there. That's like the really unhealthy fats. And it's important to get fat in our nutrition and in our diets because some of our hormones are actually produced in our fat cells. So if we're overweight or underweight, if we have too many fat cells or too little fat cells, it can affect our hormone production, specifically female hormones that affect our menstrual cycles. And also, so mainly the sex hormones like testosterone and estrogen are produced in our fat cells. I couldn't think of estrogen for a little bit. Also, healthy fats help with brain function, with joint mobility, with skin suppleness and moistness. So when you don't have those healthy fats in your system, your body isn't as moist, isn't as fluid, doesn't flow quite as well. So they're very, very important in your body. So why is it that the 21-day fix breaks it down into the different containers? Because there's also the seeds and the nuts and the dressings and so on. Why are there so many different containers? Well, because you get different quality fats from the different types of foods. And it's all about balance. It's all about balance. So I hope this helps you guys. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Don't eliminate the fat from your diet.